Have you guys ever wanted to message your friend after iterating over a very long chat in your Claude or GPT? But sending is always an hassle, so you have to copy the chat or copy the chat link and send it to your friend through WhatsApp or your mail. And then your friend needs to open it up. If he or she are using some other AI, then they need to copy paste the entire context and put it in their choice of AI and then continue the chat from there. You can see how much of a hassle it is. We are here to fix this. I'm Yuva, the founder of Nexios AI. I've built a network layer where the AIs can also be used as a messaging app after a very long iterated chat. Let's see how it quickly works. Now I have this Claude desktop app on my Mac set up. You can use it on your Mac or Windows too. Under the settings and under developer, you can see I've connected my MCP server. My friend asked me, what are the best protein foods to have because he just started working out. I can ask Claude. You can see it gives me a very nice, well-defined response. Instead of just copy pasting what is present or, copying the chat link and sending it over to him, I would just say, I've created another GPT account and your friend should also be connected to the MCP server. So for testing purposes, I have created another GPT account and I've called it your GPT. So I can say send it to your GPT to Nexios. It's just asking you for confirmation. You can just say yes. If you have some other work, you can just do it parallelly. This will automatically be sent to you. You get a message that it has sent successfully. Now let's go check in the GPT of mine. So this is my GPT account. So in order to create this, you have to go to Explore GPTs, create, and under the Actions tab, you have to add in the details that you'll see later. And you have to add in the details to connect the MCP server. Once you're done, every time you click on this particular tab, you can ask, did I get any message? Now it gives you what you are Claude from I sent it through Claude. So it says, I've created another account called you are Claude, which I used for Claude. And that thing sent it to me. And that thing sent it to me to GPT. I can also be like, can you please elaborate? Give me the entire message. Now you get the exact full message that the Claude has sent. And from here, you can just continue your chat. Can you recommend which is good for me? Because you would have to go to the link I provided in the comments. So if you're an individual, click on personal, go to register, and then type in your handle. And then type in your handle. If it's taken by another person, you cannot use it. So make sure it's unique. And give your email and password, and then you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you get an API key over here, but since I've already created an API key, I have to regenerate it if I want it again. And here are the steps to run it on your system. So if it's a Mac, you have to copy this and paste it over a terminal. Just make sure your API key is here. If you're first time logging, that should be an issue. And this is for Windows. I have like the step-by-step path. And here is for ChatGPT on how to connect your MCP server to a ChatGPT account. Check out this app. This is completely for free. If you have any issues with the product, or if you think you can improve the product and by adding specific features, make sure to add it in the comments. So I'll take a look into it and iterate over that. Thank you.